Smoko time? Yeah? Come on. How you going, honey?
Yeah, a bit of swag, you see.
This gives me a new perspective on life. Actually not too bad for an old bloody vinyl wrapped. See? Oh, off me bum. Whoa. Yeah, welcome back to Flip My Ride yet again. Today is the day we start. I should have done this. I've had 3 days off and I'm yet to start on this. Commitment, Adam. Commitment. Today's objective, we're going to pull the seat out of the truck first. I've already started on the floor pan. As you can see, we've got the rust in the holes and yada yada, and I've run a cut along here, and I'm trying to peel it back because there is a lap there that they use. They've spot welded it with some bonding agent and some sealer. And then I'm going to cut along this ridge here, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do on this side because we've got a seam where it all is welded together, spot welded, and then over here we've got a body mount that I need to undo. I'm going to have to undo that, I think, and I'm not sure if I'm going to cut around that or yada yada. I'm not really sure. Did I tell you I'm not really sure? I'm not really sure. Oh, news. I went and bought another $500 worth of paint from the same mob. The owner was away on holidays and he had his new staff there, and they sort of didn't really know what was going on. They kept telling me stuff I already knew. This is what they gave me. That's the colour they made up. They said, that's the exact match, mate. Well, it might be the exact match to the yellow of the time, but the yellow they've given me is this yellow previously. I need to match that. I don't need that. That's more of a canary yellow. I don't know, it's darker, isn't it? I've spoken to the guy's name is Chris from Paint Right. He is apparently working it out. I spoke to him yesterday, and he's going to get it all sorted and batch up a whole new lot for me. So all of this stuff over here we've got. I went and got 2 litres of proper base coat for the tub because I don't want to be using cans on the tub. It's one big area. But yeah, all of these and this are wrong. And then they've also given me the wrong clear. Now, I asked the guy, this isn't the one I used last time. Oh no, this is what everyone uses. This is apparently a clear for sort of internal areas like inside the doors, under the bonnet and stuff like that. It's not the 2-pack, rip your throat out, smother your lungs in toxic fumes version that I've got. So they got to go back too. So basically all of that is useless. That is the story morning glory. Let's get into it. I'm going to pop the door open, seat out, the windscreen off too. I'm really going to hook into this. Maybe cut that floor out and yeah, we'll see. Driver's door. You would have seen it in the last video. It's not bad, but again, I can just still see some scratches here, and I'm a bit pissed, but it's staying like that now. That's done. Done and dusted. Does it sound like a plan? Yeah? Shop dog. Always got to have a shop dog. All right. Where's my... Oh, seat belts. Those 2. All right. That is out. Smoko time? Yeah? Oh, off me bum. Whoa. We've got like a, look at this, rat's nest of farm hay all over. I'm going to clean all that down today too. We're going to get rid of the old Pioneer specials here. What have we got? TRX 50 120 watt premium sound. Woohoo! Just for my sake and for yours, you can remind me, but I've put all of those, let's say I put all of the stuff that I unscrew, let's say I put all the stuff I unscrew in the glove box so I don't forget. Remind me, okay? We've got the original jack. They had a piece of cloth under the jack over here because it probably rattled, so I've just pissed that off for the moment. We'll put that outside. I'm going to take, look at puppy dog. That's a new position. All good over there, doggo? Yep, cool. Okay. Oh, what do we got here? Tuies, mate. Rather have a Tuies, bro. Oh, and it's raining. All right, so I think that might be from me. I don't know. I'm just guessing. So jack, let's put this with all the other stuff that I keep collecting everywhere. Let's do that. Let's take those speakers out, huh? Then we'll give it a sweep and a good clean inside. Wired together there. Oh, that was on well. They had soldered it, sort of. You've got to start somewhere, haven't you? Oh. All right, you don't need to see this. I'll clean this and we'll come back. Ooh, that is, hello Dash, but we've got to clean all this down now, get rid of all of the rust and start building back better. We've got to build back better. Nice up close look. So this panel used to run across to here, obviously it doesn't anymore. Get all the flaky stuff off, rust treat that. That's my first windscreen removal. I've seen it done but not done it. Get all the flaky stuff out from up top here. I'm not going to fix this like 1,000,000%, 1,000,000%. I'm going to tidy it up, rust treat it, maybe patch it with a bit of bog or filler and fix that. But yeah, so look at the holes in that, man. How am I going to get that done? I'm not going to now start cleaning that windscreen. What I'll do is try and get that floor out, and then we can clean everything. And then we start to build back better again. I'm liking this build back better shit. Anyway, I'll see what I can do in the cab. This isn't going to be easy. Hey, look what we got. Might use that as a wall piece. First floor removal. There is a hole in my floor. One big hole. And I just cut myself again. I had to step it like this because I realised that all the cables here were bolted on or welded on to a like a holder. This one here is bolted. I can tack a new one on underneath, but this one here is actually part of the floor. So I cut it. If I had have cut that off, I would have not been able to remove the floor. The mounting body mount is different on the floor pan on this truck compared to my replacement. The replacement's from the model prior to this. They're all the same, just at slight little variations, and that's going to be a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this back as far as I can, back to the mount underneath here. All right, because I see I've got a little bit of a lip here. So there's a bit of fiddly stuff, but I have it out. And the windscreen. We have managed to achieve something today. Now we've got to work out how to put it back in. All right, that is a little better. You can see I've now getting shape around it, but I'm not sure if I take the top, this platey bit off. It's rusted and it's loose. I could glue it or tack it down. I just worry because once you make a cut here, you're screwed. And I've got to cut this again over here. Because I cut it, the only way I could access it with the flooring was sort of straight up and down with a blade, and it's created this kind of pattern on the corrugation there. So now that I've taken it out, I've got to come in and underneath that and cut that all straight again. So still hasn't finished, but we've had progress. So I'm going to call it quits for today. See ya.